What's up, traders? This is TRADERCHAMP. So let's have a look on the EXPOLANKA holding. So today I picked up the daily time frame, and also if you have looked over the price action that which the EXPOLANKA is following right now, this is happening right again. So if you have followed up the price action very clearly, it is showing us a good sign for the EXPOLANKA, so which is probably going to be a good sign for the future as well. So if you are a frequent trader or an investor for the EXPOLANKA holding, so this is going to be a good opportunity for you guys. So as I have said previously with my previous analysis, I have said that we had an opportunity based on the price action, and with the reversal I have taken up a long position close to 140 or somewhere close to this area, right? So since that has been taken, we have seen a bearish momentum that has continued to drop further to the downside. So right now we are seeing a good sign close to the current market price. So this is what I see on the EXPOLANKA.
Hey there. This is a special offer just for you on our Crypto Premium Club. Get daily signals and make daily profits. Our results and progress are proven. Join now and make profits with us.
So on the daily time frame, it is very clear. If you have heard of my or watched my previous analysis, you would know that we had picked up a major support zone or a demand zone identified with the previous price action, right? So this was the major support zone we have identified based on the price action. We have the evidence that which the price has built up a very strong buying potential or a buying interest close to this level, which is held close to 130, right? In the average, we have this 130 level as a major buying area or a buying interest level, right? So based on the price action, it is very clear. And right now we are seeing on the current market price, the price is showing up a buying interest or a bullish sentiment close to this level, but still it is very limited with the volume and also the market performance. But still this bullish closings or the candle formation that we have seen recently on the following major demand zone is a very significant identification or a signal that we can identify or see on the EXPOLANKA. And also, as I have said earlier, we have taken up a position close to this area. And also if I look back on my previous trading panel, the level which is held close to 131, sorry, 140, right? So I have taken up an entry close to 140. The reason why I had an entry here, because we had a supported trend line built up. So based on that structure, I have taken up my entry, but still my invalidation point is holding up close to or below 126. As that is being held over there, we can clearly identify the price is still managing to respect this following demand zone and also this buying level as a major support once again. So not yet we have hit over our invalidation point, as long as that is far away from the current market price, so which is probably with a distance close to 4 to 5%, right? So we have distance of 4 to 5% on the downside momentum where we are holding our invalidation point or the stop loss level, right? So based on the price action, this is a very clear indication that the market is respecting this level as a major support. So we have these bullish closings happen right now, so we have a chance of seeing a bullish reversal back to the upside. So here we can average down or hold up entry close to 130. If you have not taken up any investments for the EXPOLANKA, so this is probably going to be a good opportunity for you guys, since we have the evidence that the market has built up a very strong buying potential or a buying level close to this 130 area. So this evidence or the previous price action is signaling us that we have a potential move back to the upside. As long as this entry is taken, that is still remaining valid, and also our invalidation point is still not yet being hit, so we are holding our entry to the upside. So the targets will be remaining as expected with our previous analysis. So here with the reversal, we can decently expect a much realistic target based on the price action. So once the price hits this level, which is close to 140, then we have to wait for the price to climb up or break through this trend line, right? So once the price confirms a break through this trend line, then we can expect a decent target close to 150, right? And then we can expect only a higher target. So for the moment, with a price level close to 130, we can expect a decent target close to 140 and 150, so which is probably going to be a nice rally close to 10 to 15% on the EXPOLANKA. So this is going to be a decent profit, as if you invest 100,000. Let's assume that you are going to buy shares worth 100,000 on EXPOLANKA. So then if you ladder up, or if the price creates a 15% ROI on your investment over the period, then you are going to make around 15,000 rupees, right? So this is going to be your profit on an investment with just 100,000, so which is a decent profit, as if only you are about to take your risk on your own. And also, just not blindly take out the entry, or which I suggest here. So you have to do your own research and also your market analysis. If you're not good at, so you can simply identify these levels and also the conditions that I have discussed here. So I will be taking up entry once the market opens, so which is probably going to be averaged down to the 130, or I will take up a new entry on my other account. So I'm willing to take out the investments which is close to 130, so which is a perfect entry level based on the price action. And also this 140 is still remaining valid. As I said earlier, our invalidation point is held close to or below 120 or 126, sorry, 125 or 126. So this is where we are about to set our invalidation point, and then we are targeting close to 140 and then 150, so which is expected to see a 10 to 15% ROI based on the price action. So this is going to be built over the period, so the period cannot be assumed or predicted with the market price action, right? So we can probably expect based on the volume and also the price levels that which the price has created for the EXPOLANKA. So I believe that this analysis is useful, and make sure to thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.